What we have here is a 2014 FXSB Harley-Davidson. Softail Breakout. One thing you should know right away is when we take these bikes in trade, they do not, repeat, do not sit on the sales floor long. So if you like the bike, get in quick. Under 17,000 miles. Sound check there to demonstrate how nice a set of Vance & Hines short shots can sound when they're hooked up to a Harley-Davidson 103 cubic inch motor. It's a 14, so it does have the 103 inch motor, 6-speed transmission. Really nice looking bike. One way to identify a Breakout: rake of the fork is a little exaggerated. Forks, there are two of them, plural, a little exaggerated compared to the other models. Bike is available for test listen, nice pipes, and a test ride, great bike, 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.